Hi everyone, this is Julia from Adventure Geek. This is like take 10 or something ridiculous like that. Anyway, I just want to tell you about this week's little gadget that I've bought for the hiking industry. I'm off on a West Highland Way trip, which is in the Scottish Highlands, wild camping for a week. I fly out there in less than 10 days time. I really can't wait for it. And I saw this video online, I'm going to tell you about that in a second, which is going to make my life hopefully a lot easier, a lot less mucky. And yeah, watch out for this. It's going to be something quite interesting, all to do with food. So let's find out what's in the box. Right. Joe, someone once said to me, there's no such thing as an original idea, and that person's completely right, and all kudos to Renegade Scott, and I've actually nicked his idea for this particular gadget, and I think it's an awesome idea, so I'm going to give it a go on the West Highland Way. But what is it? What am I talking about? Right, let me explain. So one of the things that I find is a real pain, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, you might not even realise that it is a problem, but you know these things, so you've got these food packs, so adventure foods and fire pots and all the rest of it, but when you open it up, sometimes they get stuck and you end up with like soggy food on the lid, and then you've got to roll these up once you've filled them up with water and eat them out of them. The trash afterwards is all smeggy and smelly and horrible, and I know it's easy just to fold them up and keep them in your trash and you add to it, but Renegade Scott's idea is absolutely genius. Well, I think it's genius, but we'll put it to the test when I do the West Highland Way in a few weeks. But he ordered one of these things. So this is from Green Island. It's a silicone bag. It's actually quite heavy. I'll put the weight on the screen now. It's got your measurements down the side. You can put hot water in there or boiling water in there, leave it to stand, and you can go away and do whatever you want. And then what he does is he'll decant. So this one I've written with a Sharpie, so carbonara 370ml, so that is this one. So I've decanted that into this, and then literally, obviously I'm pouring that into there, put my hot water in there, I'll eat out of that. At the end of it as well, I can just swill that out in the stream or just put some water in and just give it a bit of a wash through. Then this is clean. If not, I can, if there isn't a stream, I can just put that in my pack dirty, and then when I get to a stream or whatever, I can then do that. And then this is dry, because it's dry food. You haven't got all that smeggy horrible stuff that you would have if you're going just with one of these or eating out of one of these. And at the end of the day, if you look at the size, so that versus that, from a pack size point of view, I'm saving some space in my pack as well. I'm not necessarily saving any weight, just saving a pack and just hopefully being a little bit more efficient. So, first things first, have you got any meals that you think are absolutely great? I like the fire pots. Everyone's talking about the reindeer stew from, is it Real Tarmac? Oh, I need to get myself one of those and see what they're like. But yeah, what do you think? I will put the price on the screen as well now. So this is from Green Island. Just so you know as well, her service was absolutely superb. So they arrived within a couple of days, and it feels like really good quality. It is quite heavy. I've tried this out just on a day hike yesterday, and it worked quite well. Cooked noodles really well. So yeah, so that's this week's What's in the Box. Hopefully I should bring something different for you next week, and I'll let you know. Right, that's me signing out for today, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to get outside, get inspired, go take a hike when you can. I'll see you on the next video. Take care everyone. Ta-da. Bye-bye.